The Great Leap, Industry 5.0 and the Rise of Intelligent Systems. Introduction, the evolutionary tale of industry. Imagine a world where machines not only follow instructions, but also understand and collaborate with humans on a deeper level. Welcome to Industry 5.0, the fifth industrial revolution, where artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, are transforming the manufacturing landscape and beyond. Let's embark on this enlightening journey through the intricate tapestry of Industry 5.0, where intellectual humor meets cutting-edge technology and education is never a bore. Industry 5.0, the symphony of humans and machines. In the past, industrial revolutions focused on mechanization, mass production, automation, and digitalization. But Industry 5.0 is different. It emphasizes human-machine collaboration, aiming to bring the best of both worlds together. Picture a factory floor where robots, affectionately called cobots, work alongside humans, making production more efficient and customizable. Cobots equipped with AI not only handle repetitive tasks, but also adapt to changes, learning and improving from human interactions. IoT, the digital nervous system. Think of the Internet of Things, IoT, as the digital nervous system of Industry 5.0. It connects everyday objects, machines, and systems to the Internet, enabling them to communicate and share data seamlessly. IoT devices are like sensory organs, gathering vast amounts of data from their surroundings. This data, however, isn't valuable until processed and analyzed, a task where AI shines. Edge computing, processing power on the edge. With billions of IoT devices generating zettabytes of data, traditional cloud computing can sometimes lag. Enter edge computing. By processing data closer to its source, edge computing reduces latency and improves response times. Imagine a smart factory where data from IoT sensors is analyzed in real time to optimize operations without waiting for cloud servers miles away. Edge computing ensures that critical decisions are made swiftly, enhancing efficiency and reliability. And AI and IoT, a match made in tech heaven. Artificial intelligence is the brain that makes sense of the data collected by IoT devices. AI algorithms analyze this data, learning from patterns and making predictions. Machine learning, ML, a subset of AI, enables systems to learn from experience without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning, DL, a more advanced form of ML, uses neural networks to model complex patterns in large datasets. Together, AI and IoT form a powerful duo, driving innovations in various fields. Smart manufacturing, the heart of Industry 5.0. In smart manufacturing, IoT devices monitor every aspect of the production process, from raw materials to finished products. AI algorithms analyze this data to predict equipment failures, optimize maintenance schedules, and improve quality control. The result? Reduced downtime, lower costs, and higher product quality. Smart manufacturing is not just efficient, it's also flexible, adapting to changes in demand and customization requirements. AI in action, real-world applications. Agriculture. Smart farming uses IoT sensors to monitor soil conditions, crop health, and weather patterns. AI analyzes this data to optimize irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, resulting in higher yields and sustainable practices. Healthcare. Wearable IoT devices track vital signs and health metrics, sending data to healthcare providers. AI analyzes this data to detect anomalies, predict health issues, and recommend personalized treatments. Smart cities. IoT sensors monitor traffic, air quality, and energy consumption in urban areas. AI analyzes this data to manage traffic flow, reduce pollution, and optimize energy use, creating safer and more sustainable cities. Logistics. IoT devices track shipments in real time, while AI optimizes routes and delivery schedules. This reduces fuel consumption, lowers costs, and ensures timely deliveries. Challenges and solutions in Industry 5.0. Despite its promise, Industry 5.0 faces several challenges. Data security. With more devices connected to the Internet, the risk of cyber attacks increases. AI-based security systems can detect and mitigate threats, ensuring data integrity and privacy. Interoperability. Integrating diverse IoT devices and systems can be complex. Standardization and open protocols are essential for seamless communication and integration. Energy consumption. IoT devices and edge computing nodes require power. Advances in energy-efficient technologies and renewable energy sources are crucial for sustainable growth. The future, beyond Industry 5.0. As we look to the future, the potential of AI and IoT seems limitless. Imagine autonomous vehicles communicating with each other to prevent accidents, AI-driven healthcare systems providing real-time diagnostics, and smart grids optimizing energy distribution. The fusion of AI and IoT will continue to revolutionize industries, making our world more intelligent, efficient, and connected. Conclusion: embracing the future. Industry 5.0 is not just a technological revolution, it's a paradigm shift that redefines the relationship between humans and machines. By leveraging the power of AI and IoT, we can create a world where technology enhances human capabilities, driving innovation and progress. As we embrace this future, let's remember that the true value of technology lies in its ability to improve our lives and make the world a better place. So buckle up and get ready for an exhilarating ride into the future of Industry 5.0. This video not only sheds light on the intricate workings of Industry 5.0, but also entertains and educates with a touch of intellectual humor. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or just curious about the future, this journey through the realm of intelligent systems and IoT is sure to captivate and inform. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more AI-powered antics, go ahead and smash that subscribe button like it's an outdated captcha. Until next time, keep your algorithms error-free and your coffee strong.